out of 15. 3 shots. Hey, this is accuracy, not speed.
Yeah, right?
As soon as you're done with your 3 shots, go ahead and load up, but do not fire again until everyone's done and you get to firing the magazine. Shooters ready. Fire.
Yeah, that's why we all have...
Throw it on the ground, Jake. Throw it on the ground.